Ooh!
That's what I'm afraid of.
Ooh!
Hit him?
I don't know. Yes, you did.
There you go. Woohoo!
Ethan, you want to try the BB next? We get the BB ready for Ethan.
A little sniper going here.
Hell yeah. We're gonna send her to sniper school. Yeah!
It like vibrates after it goes off.
Alright, go ahead, honey. Amanda's shooting the SKS.
Hey.
She hit the target.
Oh!
He wants more. I don't know how to get the plug out of this.
Damn.
Are you awake?
I hit it. Is that it? 4?
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, shit.
Yeah!
Pull.
Nice.
Pull.
Okay, pull.
That's my fault.
Pull. Pull.
Oh, that's beautiful.